Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we use multi-text in AutoCAD. So to use the multi-text, we have an option here that is annotate. Just click on that, and the first option that you'll have a big capital A. When you click on that, then the first option you will have is multi-text. Just after clicking, your command is activated, and now you have to select the area where you want to create the text. So I have to click on the screen and drag it, and now here you have to enter the text. Let's suppose I'm writing here. Just after writing, just click away from this box and this will be applied. As you can see, it's been applied, and if you want to increase the size of it, then you can select it. Just do double click on that and then select it again, and then from here you can change its height. Then suppose I want to make it as 1 feet, and then press enter, and it is now applied. So this way you can use the multi-text, guys. You can also use it by having the shortcut that is Mtext, Mtext, and press enter, and you can use it again, guys. So guys, this way you can use the multi-text in AutoCAD. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.